the video though, you're like, how could they do that?
Get swimming.
He is swimming. Look at him kick, like he made a little wake behind. You're like, that one wants to get in there too. You want to go swimming along? Get the one there.
He's trying to grab him. He grabs Sonic, so.
He's just kicking in the water.
No, you are so funny.
You should take a video though.
I am. No, are you swimming? He likes moving. Dad, dad, dad.
I could just look at him all day, I swear to God. I could just look at him all day long.
Dad, dad, dad. He's swimming.
Yeah.
I wonder why Elmo's so interested.
Are you swimming, big boy?
You know what I mean? That's coming in. He wants to go swimming. He wants to go in there with the baby. Look at him.
He's swimming. Da 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 da.
You having fun in here?
Hey, did Bubby add you?
What?
Did Bubby add you on Facebook?
No. She has one now?
Your phone's
Go
up.
to Shane.
Your phone's up here.
Okay, thanks.
My phone will work. He said it's too hot. You need it the sun.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's got a warning that says comes on there.
Cute.
I'll make you like that.
Loved it. Look at him go, man. Tina, you want to get in there and hold it
It's
up?
really good that he's got a good reaction to it.
Yeah, because usually some babies will cry.
It's chilly too, so I didn't.
It is, yeah.
He's probably used to it now, though.
He'll get wrapped up as soon as he gets out, though.
Da 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 da.
As soon as you take him out, he's got to get wrapped up. He's got to get swaddled up.
Hi, baby.
Hi! Is that finger good?
Getting all excited.
Hey.
Elmo, come here.
He's like, whoa.
He just farted.
He scared a fart out of him.
Elmo, here you go.